to my YouTube channel. It's Akusa. If you're new, thanks for joining me. I'm so grateful and I appreciate you so much. Today's video is going to be a simple tutorial on how to lay your edges. As you can see, my edges looks something else, so I gotta style it to make my hair new again. I understand the fact that most people do not have edges like a wonder well. That's how they were created. Step tutorial to help you style your edges. Very simple. Trust me, you're gonna like it. You just need your tail comb or any kind of comb you think you are comfortable with, and then your styling gel. I use my super, that's the best gel so far using, so I feel great anytime I use it. So guys, let's move with that video. So first of all, you have to lay down your edges by using the styling gel to lay down. Some people prefer going all around, but I prefer sideways, so I go in for sideways. So you apply it side by side. My hair is is a natural hair, so it needs more gel over there to make it visible and then smooth. It side by side. My hair is a natural hair, so it needs more gel over there to make it visible and then smooth. Gel, which is very good for your hair. Some gels are very light and then it's not going to help lay down your edges. When we talk about edges, they are just the few smaller and short hairs you have in front of your head. That's your. So guys, as you can see, I've applied the gel there, and then my hair looks very smooth over there, although my hair is natural. But I think I have to share this out. You need a very forehead or something, and then you are good to go. So don't stress yourself pulling your long hair there. It's going to be very difficult for you as a beginner. You just have to try that short hairs and then you are done. Trust me. You need your comb and then you are good to go. So guys, let's move. Hi guys, so I am done laying down my edges. As you can see, although my hair is natural, but it looks laid down as you can see. So guys, difficult, but I think with constant practice you are going to get there. I didn't just wake up one day and then try this. I just kept on doing it, and then I think that's the main reason why I am able to do it. So guys, don't stay there, don't stay idle. Do something when you're bored, when you've got nothing doing. Do something on your own. So guys, thanks for watching. I hope it helps you a lot, and then don't forget to share and then subscribe. Leave a comment below if you really love this video, and then I'll be grateful. Bye bye.